Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you what I got from Chanel Beauty Boutique and from Chanel Fashion Boutique. So it's not going to only be about makeup. And now without any further ado, let's get into it. So I picked few items. Some of them are new releases. For example, this nail polish set that I talked about in my previous video that comes with the sticker. It's a limited edition set that comes with, I already have it on my nails. It comes with this beautiful red color, a top coat and a white color. It also comes with these very nice stickers. So the black ones are the ones that I have on my nails today, and it's for, I think, darker nail polishes, and the white if you want something light, like on a beige, on a pink, or on a baby blue. They have beautiful new nail polishes that are so stunning, and they have amazing colors, and I picked a few. I'm going to check my latest video in case you want to see. What I like about it that they changed the brush. The brush now it's bigger and it doesn't take much time to apply it. And also I think they have changed the formula a little bit, so it's drying faster. Moving on to the next item is this hand cream, the number 5 hand cream. I'm obsessed with their hand creams. It comes in the usual egg packaging, and the first time I was introduced to it, they gave me samples, and then I was like, what is that? I have to have it. It's really nice, and I always love to keep a hand cream in my bag, and it smells like number 5. So if you like number 5, you're going to like this, and it's very nice. And because my cuticles tend to get really dry, so I always like to keep a hand cream. The next item is the eyeliner, the STYLO YEUX waterproof. I have many shades from this. This is in the shade 72 or Rose, and this is part of their new spring summer collection. What I love about their eye pencils is that they're very easy to apply, and I feel that they kind of know their way to when I'm trying to draw with it. I feel that it gives me like the perfect wing, and I don't have to exert any effort to get it perfect. And what I like to do with this one specifically, it's, as you can see, the color is pretty sheer, but it's very nice if you want to apply it in your waterline, if you want to have some brightening, a little bit of a highlighting effect. It's very subtle, it's very nice. So what I like to do with it, after I finish my wing, I dip a brush into an eyeshadow, and I just, you know, go over it, so it gives a very soft finish, and it looks very pretty. And this is what I have on my eyes today. So yeah, I cannot get enough of this. I saw a blue one, which is, I think, part of the permanent collection, and I was about to buy it. Maybe I should get more adventurous when it comes to colors, because I like neutrals, and this is what I gravitate towards the most. I also picked the new Hydra Beauty Eye cream after I picked the Hydra Beauty moisturizer, and I really loved it underneath makeup. I decided also to give it a try to the eye cream, which is, I think, very nice under makeup, and this is what I have on my face today. It's very smoothing, and it doesn't make my concealer cake, or sometimes, you know, when you're wearing a thicker eye cream, sometimes it can make it either break out and melt, or it can look kind of weird. No, I feel it's very smoothing, and I don't know if the camera can capture, but it has like a tiny droplets of, I think, camellia extract that gives like extra hydration to the under eye. For me, I love eye cream. It's the first thing that I apply on my face, and it gives me the feeling that I'm awake, and this is what the cream claims. So it is the smooth and luminous eye contour, looks fresh and wide awake, and this is what it does. This is really what it does, and I'm glad that I did buy the moisturizer and also the eye cream. So the next item for today, it's not makeup, it's not fragrance, it is a bag. And you can already tell from the thumbnail which bag it is. It is the Chanel Mini 22. This bag, this is the it bag these days. And first when they introduced the 22, I wasn't sure about it. I didn't like it. And I was like, yeah, it's a pretty garbage bag. And then I started to, when I started seeing it, it started to grow on me more and more. And then I bought my first one last year, obviously, in June, which is this one. And I have used this one, without exaggeration, at least 200 times. At least. It's very practical. I know that there are some negative feedback about this bag, that it's falling apart. I've seen other creators and other YouTube videos complaining from the quality, but to be honest, I did not have a single issue with this bag, and I do not baby it. Like I do, I'm quite careful with my things, but I don't baby my bags at all. And I don't see like anything in the corners. It's in perfect condition. It comes with a little pouch that I don't use a lot because I'm always keeping keys and stuff in my bag, and I'm always scared that it will ruin the leather. I haven't used this a lot, to be honest, with the bag. And I cannot tell you how practical this bag is. It's very practical. People told me that you're going to have issues with this leather because it's metallic leather. I did not have a single issue with this bag. It's perfect. And by the way, this is in the small size. After I had a great experience with my small one, I decided to get another 22, but this time in tweed. And also I have used this one a lot, and it goes with everything because it has almost all the colors here, so I can wear this with anything. And this is in the medium size. It's very spacious, but this time I use the pouch because I'm not scared that it will scratch or anything, so I use the pouch that comes with it. So in spring summer 23, when they launched the mini, I was like, am I gonna get it or not? But then when I saw it, it's very pretty, it's very cute. I haven't used it yet, still with the paper. The only thing that I don't understand about it, that it doesn't come with a bottom or a magnetic closure, which is, for me, which is a little bit strange. Also, another thing, that it doesn't come with the pouch, it comes with the small and the medium, and it says made in Italy. I think that now only the timeless classic bags are only the ones that made in France. Everything else, all the seasonal bags or any other bag, it is made in Italy. Also, the chain is a little bit, of course, different than the other one. First of all, it's not detachable. You cannot remove them. It comes with this chain, and then you have this little chain here. It's a leather chain, and then you have these two chains with this nice metal, and you can either carry it crossbody or you can carry it like this, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Will I keep it hanging, or can I just put it inside? Yeah, you can put it inside and carry it like this. It's very nice, it's very cute, and the leather is a little bit glossy, I don't know if you can see. It's different than the normal leather, and I think this could be goat leather. For me, it doesn't look like lambskin. I have to make sure. For a small bag like this, because it doesn't have a flap, it's a hobo bag, so you can fit a lot in this. I still haven't used it, but for me it fits all my essentials and it's very spacious. The only thing that I would have appreciated if it had a button closure. I'm gonna keep you posted. And by the way, I want to know your thoughts. Would you like to see more content like this? Would you like to see more content about handbags, stuff like that? Please let me know in the comment section if this is something that you want to see, or you only want to see makeup. Let me know. So I'm going to insert a small clip showing the different 3 sizes, the medium, the small, and the mini. And for reference, I'm 5'7". I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll be waiting for your comments.